my dishwasher's broken down. I'm trying these out. I think this one might be one of the better ones. I was also planning on using them for my 3D printing, for washing the resin as well. But I imagine it might, well, in soapy water, because apparently soapy water is just as good. There's this one, which I think is a bit better, but that one just does that. And I've got another two. One broke, and the other one I preferred. It just took too long, but I knew I would need more than one. I think this is a better one. Two reasons. One, it vibrates, and two, it has a guard around the propeller. Okay. That one has a guard. It protects it from stuff, and that doesn't. So the other one is like that, similar to that, and it broke because it couldn't cope with the catching up with the cutlery and that hitting it. So it failed. But this one's okay. It seems to be doing okay anyway, this one. But this is a better one. A lot better. Because it has a guard. But I'm saying that's just as good really. It just doesn't vibrate. That one's lasted quite a long time. And yeah. It's been running for about, I don't know, maybe five minutes. 5 minutes at least for that one, and I just put that one in, so 5 to 10 minutes for both. And I used one of them, you know, for a dishwasher tablet. For 5 minutes, and that's one of my mobile power banks. And that's only at 99%. And you're talking about 10 minutes there now at least for that one, and up to 10 minutes for that one. Okay?